So welcome back to the channel again. So with market pulling back, what has rectified to this and what has caused market to be dropping? Even though news is good, market want to rally, and there's a lot of upside. So with the Middle East tension that's going on, that's what caused market to pull back, and the president going ahead and saying that hey, they should watch themselves and be careful because no nuclear deal was made. And also, we spoke about this numerous times that again, market is strongly on the upper side. I don't see market pulling back significantly anytime soon. And worse, this week, it's a shorter trading week. We can see a lot of noise in the market, like we're currently seeing now. And with 10-year Treasury yield pulling back, this is the golden time. Why we want to get in now? Because a week or 2 weeks from now we can either see pullbacks or we can see in the upside. But for me, it's most likely on the upper side for the market. Why? Because there is so much strong bulls want to make the market run right now. So the Middle East tension that's going on causing the market to drop, but not every single stock is dropping, even though oils continue going up. But look at Core Wave, guys. Just look at Core Wave. Look at this. This stock is just killing it continuously, killing it. If I'm not wrong, I think this stock recent. Yep, this stock recently came out. And if you can see that if you had bought this stock from when IPO just came out, it was trading at $58. Look at this. This is just crazy. But again, it's something to look in towards. But normally when stocks jump and come out like this, normally it finds some support and then start to pull right back, giving up every single thing. And then on the other run, it start to run right up, just like Reddit did. Reddit was trading um let's go over it. When IPO came out, lows of 64, and look, it ran right up and then sold off. Now it's finding its way back up and super overbought. It went up today because they came up with a new AI influence to bring in more revenue to their platform. So that's the reason why it pushed up today, and definitely we're going to see this recover sooner or later with no doubt. But if you notice, Nasdaq is pulling back, giving up 220 something points that it had moved up into yesterday, because yesterday we were up over 300 points, and now you can see that Nasdaq is giving back some of that up. But nevertheless, we were trading right here with the bad news came out last week Friday. We pushed on up, got rejected, and now we're testing a new low, a higher low, should say. And then after, definitely I see this market pushing right back up, because if you look at most of these stocks, they're burned out. For example, AMD, there's little run on this stock. If we look at 1 year chart, you can see that we were trading at 270 something dollars a share. So we have a lot of room to go. Even TQQ, you can see that we were trading at $93 comparing to $73. So we have a lot of room to go. Even though Meta is trading at 679, we still have a lot of room to go at $740. So with the market pulling back right now, Qualcomm that was trading earlier in the year at over $200 is trading at 154. So regardless of the market pulling back right now, it's just a short-term pullback because of the tension with the Middle East, and the president voicing his concern, saying that he's ready throwing threats to you know what country it is, and the oil price going up, causing the market to give up some of that. And we all know that Thursday the market will be closed based on observation of Juneteenth, and we're back Friday to see what's going on. But again, CoreWave stock surge bringing post IPO rally to 340, like something that I just spoke about. And this is something that I will be watching because it seems like once they pull back, it's something that's going to definitely pull back drastically. And then you want to buy the dips in some of these stocks. For example, I'm watching Okta. I spoke about it numerous times. And if you can see that the stock is trying to find some consolidation, and once we have a cross right here on the MACD, once we cross from negative coming over to positive side, I can tell you, boy, you want to make sure that you're in to enjoy some of the upside. So not much to share today, rather than there is just news in the market that's causing a pullback. Where economic data is concerned, tomorrow we'll be getting initial claim and continuous claim, which is regular, and at 2 o'clock, as usual, we're going to get a FMOC meeting decision, and we all know that nothing good is going to come out of that. I don't think the president, not the president, but the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, is going to cut rates anytime soon with all of the chaos that's going on in the market. But as great Warren Buffett said, when you're selling, we're buying. So keep your eye out on these stocks that you really want to get into. Even though the market is almost at all-time high, the stocks are yet to recover. Most of them, do they have to 100%? No, they don't. But chances are, Nasdaq is going to pass what it was trading at before. Back in February when it pushed up, we're going to definitely pass this and make new highs coming. Looking at the 3-year low, we can see that we are almost at all-time high, and we're going to make a new all-time high very soon. I can see this coming in the market. Why? Because the stocks are yet to recover. Look at SoFi. Been trading in this range for quite a while. Have we hit back 18 yet? No. So we have, and look at the stock. It's not super oversold, it's not super overbought. Bought, showing sign on the RSI or the MACD. So we have room to grow. So nevertheless, they're saying that hey, market is at all-time high soon. We're gonna pull back. Yes, of course, anything can happen today, tomorrow. But to prepare yourself for this, I would say find a stock that you want to buy and hold for a while, and once the opportunity presents itself, then go ahead and you don't stop buy on those dips, like the great Warren Buffett said. But until then, like and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel, and let others know what we're doing here so we can grow this channel together.